In fact, we have seen now actually most of these problems which are cropping up because lack of knowledge. Most of the people who actually raise these issues, I have noticed that although they know, but it is all half knowledge which is there. So what we have seen is that we had a citizen charter of this directorate. So it was concerning only the office of the director of Panchayat. So what we have done now is we have taken into consideration all the aspects, like from the Panchayat level to the BDO level to the director of Panchayat level. So what are the services what are being offered by the Panchayats, what are the services available at the BDO office, then at the deputy directors, then how to go in appeal, which are the sections of the Panchayati Raj Act which will actually allow the people to go on appeal against such auditors and all. So all these things actually they are there in the act, in the rules, but common man does not have access to all these rules and all, and even if they have, that language which is there is more of a legal language which they don't understand. So we have tried to make it in a simple listed language.
The Charter also provides information about the services available at different levels, the manner in which the citizen can access these services, and how to seek a remedy to their problems.
As you have said now, see that most of the times chaos has been created because of ignorance of procedures. Mostly about Gram Sabhas, see, although it is there in the rules and all, most of the people are not aware what is the procedure, how to question, how to put those questions to the Panchayat. Even the Panchayat members are not aware, even how to conduct a meeting. Although everything is there in the rules, but as I have said, that access to rules and all is a little bit problematic for the people. So what we have done now, we brought it all in the one book. That also can be used as a handbook by the people, even elected representatives can use it. So I think that in a way that this will at least bring down whatever is happening now, so that people at least know what is their right and how to go about it.
This charter does not in any way create any new legal rights, but attempts to provide information to the citizens at one place and in a simple and easy manner in order to enforce their existing rights.
Actually, every department is supposed to have a citizen charter. Even recently we had a meeting conducted by Secretary Public Grievances. We have seen that although we had, but it does not serve any purpose, because only a few schemes were shown. So now at the moment we will be printing it at government printing press. It will be available over here, and we are also having a website very soon. So it will be also available on the website for a person who actually want to access it and download it. Also it will be available. So definitely we will give one copy to every panchayat, every video. At the same time, citizens can also avail by paying some nominal fees, whatever it is. Local people also. Very soon, once it is published, we will make copies of them in the vernacular language.
A landslide triggered by heavy rains damaged a residential house at Solva Raya at 11 p.m. on Wednesday night. The resident of the house was a woman named Jokina Rebello.
Although the landslide did not result in any casualties, Ms. Rebello was evacuated as there is a possibility of further landslides in the area as large cracks were noticed on the same hill. Speaking to Goa 365, Jokina Rebello told us about the incident.
माहिती माझ्या हातावर पडलो पण माका खबर ना या ठिकाणी मोडलं ते
तू किती कर झाले
निघले मागे कुठून ते गेले मोडलं म्हणले पण या ठिकाणी मोडलं ते माका खबर ना मागे रुजू वाढ झालो चोयले पत्ती गेले आणि म्हणले त्या ठिकाणी नाही मोडलं म्हणले.
Ms. Rebello appealed to the government to provide her aid to repair her damaged home.
Government
The fire brigade personnel were found assisting in the clearing operations at the site.
The body of a lady was found on the banks of the river Mandavi at the Baingani, Old Goa this morning. The body was identified to be that of a lady by the name of Satyavati from Karamboli village. The lady along with her friend had been missing since last evening.
आम्ही राती ना येऊन म्हणून तिका नाही केलो मागीर तेणी आमी सोयऱ्यांक फोन केलो म्हणून सोयऱ्यांक चेडू आहा तेजी आवले घर आसा तेंगेर फोन करता ते फोन करता आसा काय म्हणटा ना थंय मागीर येवन आमी रात कडेन मागीर वयर रावले मागीर सकाळीं उठून आमी फक्त म्हाका परत सांगपा आयलो भावा तेजो मागीर तो ना आमी म्हणल्यार पळोवया सोदुया सकाळीं उठून येयले आमी 7:30 सुमार येयले आमी सोदपाक सगळे रावंड मारलो आमी वयता थंय रावंड मारलो परत आमी हांगा येयले हांगा भोंवता आमकां हांगासर कपडे मेळ्ळे कपडे मेळ्ळे चप्पल पयली ती चप्पल आमी पळयतकच तेजी फुडें पावन मागीर तेजी हें आसा साडी आसा त्यो साडयो पळयल्यो त्यो साडयो आसून मागीर परत आमी अशें परत रावंड मारले दर्या देगेर गेले आमी ते हें आसा बोट आसा हें आसा बाज आसा ते बाजे कडेन गेले ते बाजे कडेन आमकां ती दिश्टी पडली ती उमटी आसली
उपता ती
ती कोण ती वळखपाक मेळलें ना आमी तिका हात लावना आमी गेले मागीर सगळे पाव आमी पुलीस स्टेशनार गेले तांकां सांगलें अशें पाक जाल्लो आसा आमी सोदताले तेन्ना आमी सोदून आमकां आमी दर्यादेर गेले थंय पावन आमकां दिश्टी पडलें आमी तांकां पळोवपाक.
The gold ornaments worn by the lady are reportedly missing from the body.
ना काकणां भांगरां ना बेश्टी काकणां आनी येडी आसली
ती ना.
A relative of the deceased explained that Satyavati's daily routine involved collecting firewood and fallen coconuts from an open area in the vicinity of her home. She would leave the house at around 11 a.m. every morning along with a friend Manju, who is also missing. The two ladies would spend the day doing their chores and would return to their respective homes only late in the evening. Though the officials from the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services were in the process of carrying out extensive search operations to determine the whereabouts of the missing lady Manju, their efforts were futile till we filed our report at 1:30 this afternoon. Although the Deputy Superintendent of Police Deo Banaulikar and the Old Goa Police Inspector Gurudas Gaude were both present at the site, they refused to voice their comments on camera. However, P.I. Gaude said that the incident appeared to be a murder as the clothes of the deceased was found 700 meters away from where the body was found. Although conclusion could not be drawn until a post-mortem report was obtained from the Goa Medical College and Hospital.
Fish curry and rice is the sole food of any Goan. With the end of the fishing ban, the culmination of the month of Shravan, as also the Ganesh Chaturthi festival, Goans have been eagerly waiting for their staple food. But with this disappointment, as the markets are still to respond.
Since the last 3 days, no trawlers from any of Goa's fishing jetties have ventured into the sea due to the rough weather attributed to cyclonic disturbances. This has resulted in the paucity of fish.
From Malim jetty, आमचे 300 trawlers आसा आणि for Ganesh Chaturthi, some 75% trawlers were idle in jetty. After Ganesh Chaturthi जे चालू जाल्ले बोटी भायर गेले because of rough weather सगळे रिटर्न आयले. सगळे rough weather खातीरच majority boats आता जेटीर बंद आसा. Scarcity जातलीच कित्याक 90% जे fish marketan येता ते trawlersaचे आसता.
With incessant rains continuing over the last 5 days, meteorologist K.V. Singh has now directed the fishermen not to venture into the sea for at least the next 24 hours.
7th September there was no any fisherman warning was issued, but today fisherman warning has been issued during next 24 hours that fishermen are not advised to venture in the sea during next 24 hours. Yeah, during next 24 hours it has been issued. Then for further it will see tomorrow.
We're heading into a commercial break. Stay with us.